So you installed an app on your Galaxy S26 Ultra, but the app icon is missing on your home screen. It's just not showing up. So here's how you can make any installed app automatically instantly appear on your home screen. So in your S26 or literally any Samsung phone, the newly installed apps usually go straight to the app drawer, not the home screen. So what you can do is just swipe up, open the app drawer, find the app, press and hold over the icon, and then tap on Add to Home Screen, and then drag it and place it anywhere on your home screen. But doing this every time can be inconvenient, especially if you install a lot of apps. So instead, you can enable one simple settings. Swipe up, open App Drawer, tap on the three dots in the corner, go to Settings, scroll down, and simply turn on Add New Apps to Home Screen. From now on, any app you install will appear directly on your home screen. Thanks for your time.